Hi there. Welcome to Global Certificate in Data Science and the Certificate in Data Science program. My name is Manvin. People call me Manav. Possibly you have already interacted with me. And what I'm going to do in this video is that help you with some quick tips to make sure that you get the most out of the GCD or the CDF program that you have enrolled for. Now, the first thing that you need to do before you actually start with your classes is do this, that go through the data science starter kit that we'll provide you access to. I will just walk you through how to go through the data science starter kit, how to access it, and how to actually log on to Insaid Learning Center at the end of this video. I'll help you do that. The second thing that I want you guys to do is that we want all of you to do is get a professional headshot done. In my one-on-one conversations with some of you, I've already mentioned this, that there is nothing that does more than having a professional headshot for all of us. That is our professional identity. So say this is my professional headshot, but there can be other professional headshots also. You can get some idea about how you can get some of these professional headshots. For example, I just typed on Google professional headshots and I am getting such different kind of professional headshots. So just go to one of your nearest studios, get a headshot done, preferably in a side angle, right? And this headshot will really help you over the next couple of years. And we want this headshot during the program as well, as we will be featuring you in interviews and at a lot of other places. So this is a must do before the program. The next step is that you will hear from us now on August 1st, in which we will send you an email regarding the batch timing, regarding the link to join the classes, etc. So it will be maybe not on August 1st, but maybe somewhere in August 2nd, 3rd, somewhere around that, right? So the classes will take place on the weekend mornings that all of you know. One of the terms is going to be from 8 to 10. Another term is going to be from 11 to 1. Again, for each term, we will let you know a week in advance or 2 weeks in advance the slot for that particular term. So here is the coordinate for reaching out to any of the Insaid members before the program begins. Admissions at insaid.co. After the program begins, you will be transferred to academic services team, and they will help you out with your queries. Now, let me show you how to log on to Data Science Starter Kit. Here's how you need to log on to Data Science Starter Kit. Here you need to go to the website. I'll just quickly show you insaid.co. You click on login, then you type in your email address. Say my email address is manav@insaid.co, and then you type in your password. So whatever password you had created while filling up your scholarship form or while creating an account on the website, you just use the same password and you will be able to log on. If you have not if you've forgotten your password, not a problem. Just use reset password or forgot password option, and you should be able to get the new password on your email. After this, you will see an option called My Classroom that people who are not students would not be able to see. This only people who are students are able to see. You need to click on My Classroom. My Classroom is going to be your home for learning, and you will be right now able to see two things. One is Python Starter Kit, and another is Statistics Starter Kit. So essentially, you will be able to see both of these things in your classroom. Some issue with the internet just comes up at the wrong time. Yeah. So here it is. So right now you'll be able to see Python starter kit and statistics starter kit. So all you have to do is you have to just click on this Python starter kit, and then you will directly jump into Insaid Learning Center, wherein you will have all the videos of Python that you will need to you can watch before the course begins. Even when the course begins, so Suchat is going to walk you through, handhold you into Python, but it always helps if you do some of the practice beforehand. And here is the statistics starter kit. So you will have access to all the material, everything at Insaid Learning Center in this in this section. So the starter kit is what you'll have access to right now. Go through the starter kit. Do not try to rush through everything on one day. Take one thing at a time. Go easy. You still have quite a bit of time before the actual program starts, and try to become comfortable with these concepts. Even if you don't understand anything, not a problem. We will make sure that you understand it during the classes, but just try to get your feet wet. Right. So I wish you all the best, and I welcome you again to the GCD and the CDA program. And I'm very confident that over the next 6 months you will get exposed to an amazing new journey into data science, machine learning that will literally change your life. Thank you very much for watching this video, and get back to us if you face any difficulty in accessing the startup.